Today's sunny day was my last riding day of this season, so now it's time for some motorcycle winter storage tips. Tip 1 is fresh fluids. Fill her up with gas and give her some nice clean oil before you put her away. Tip 2, a good wash and dry. You will thank me after winter. Tip 3 is all about finding the correct spot to do your winter storage. Think of a dry place that has a stable temperature and that is safe. For most of us, the garage it is. Tip 4. Your battery is the heart of your motorcycle. So connect it to a suited Optimate battery charger and your battery in your motorcycle will be ready to start when spring comes. And that's it. She's now ready to rest all winter long.